And as mentioned by the ED and everyone in the room, training and research is extremely important. For the last few months, since we interacted with Dr. Wilfred, we had a chance to see what was going on in the HypoAfrica Clinical Trials Network. Their focus has been mostly on prostate cancer, and they've been implementing sort of an implementation science project looking at a protocol which was already studied in Europe, hypofractionation for prostate cancer. The regimen is 60 gray in 2 weeks. So this regimen shortens the overall treatment duration and improves access. But one of the key fruits we saw in that network was the extent of capacity building. Besides the talks that are given to other faculty or other people that participate in radiation, there's been an opportunity to interact with other people in leading institutions, both in the US, in Australia, and within Europe. And indeed, it has been a great platform where many scientists cherish to present their work, both novel as well as operational within their departments. So my experience with the HypoAfrica clinical trials, especially in radiotherapy, it's a great initiative, and I think it represents the first multinational radiotherapy trial within Africa. And I think if more investment could be channeled to replicate this kind of approach to other cancers, this will be great for Africa, and especially for Uganda, because of the aspect of capacity building, which is extremely important, and the impact on improving access to advanced radiotherapy techniques, which I think we've already benefited from.
Are there any particular best practices you witnessed or recognized from your interaction with the program that could be even replicated here in Uganda?
One of them is peer review, whereby already there are 3 centers participating: Nigeria, South Africa, and Tanzania. And what I've learned is that once a patient, within this setup, the patient can be treated in Nigeria the same way the patient would be treated in the US. And that data of the treatment record within a particular site can be peer reviewed by multiple experts from Australia, from the US, which helps one another helps to build capacity, especially when dealing with advanced radiotherapy. So that's one of the key interests or key attributes of this collaboration.